How many bookings does your restaurant lose each night because no one answers the phone? Today, we'll show you how an AI agent can be your perfect receptionist. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this fourth episode of Madeja Digital, we break down a real, complete build. We've created an AI agent that manages restaurant bookings using 4 tools: Vapi for voice, N8N for automation, Google Sheets as the booking database, and Twilio to send SMS confirmations. No extra staff, no schedules, no missed calls. Let's dive into the details. The first part of the system is Vapi, the tool that gives voice to the agent. When a customer calls your restaurant, they don't hear an outdated menu of options. Instead, they hear a natural, conversational voice asking for their name, the number of guests, and the booking time. Vapi handles the conversation in real time, understands natural replies. If the customer says, "for Saturday night," it gets it perfectly. For a small business in hospitality, this is a game changer. It doesn't matter if it's 3 a.m. or peak service hours. The agent is always available, always polite, and never flustered. Once Vapi collects the booking details, N8N steps in. This is the automation brain. It receives the call info, checks Google Sheets in real time where the restaurant manages availability, and verifies if there's a free table for that date, time, and party size. If available, it logs the booking automatically in the sheet. If not, the agent informs the customer and suggests alternatives. For a small business, using Google Sheets as the backend is brilliant. It's free, the team already knows it, and the owner can check it anytime on their phone. No need for expensive booking software. The final step is Twilio. As soon as the booking is recorded, N8N triggers an automatic SMS to the customer's number with all the details: name, date, time, and number of guests. This greatly improves the customer experience. They no longer call back to confirm if they were booked correctly. They have everything in writing on their phone. And here's the best part. You can set up a second automatic reminder SMS 24 hours before the booking, drastically reducing no-shows, the problem that can wreck any restaurant's profitability. All this happens without a single employee picking up the phone. Let's recap. With 4 accessible tools, Vapi, N8N, Google Sheets, and Twilio, we've built a system that answers calls, manages availability, and confirms bookings via SMS without human intervention. The monthly cost of this setup is just a fraction of a receptionist's salary. And the best part, this model isn't just for restaurants. Any small business managing appointments or bookings, clinics, schools, workshops can replicate it. The technology is ready. The question is your business making the most of it? If you want to see the full build, N8N workflows, and all the resources to replicate this system, visit Madeja Digital. You'll find guides, templates, and everything you need to automate your business with AI. See you in the next episode of Madeja Digital.